Hello folks, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm back in here and I wanted you all to see this little birdhouse here. I've been using my glitter pen to color this birdhouse. And there's so many designs, folks, that you can do to a birdhouse to make it look cute. I'm going to color this birdhouse here and show you all what it looks like with the glitter pen. See it up close, folks? How it's kind of shining. This is just different ideals, folks. Not only can you paint the rocks, but you can also, paint birdhouses with it. Just color it in there. And see, it's going to look good when it's red, folks. And you can also, if you don't want to use one color, folks, you can paint the walls of the birdhouse different colors and make it like multicolors. I've been trying to decide what decoration I'm going to put on the birdhouse, really. But I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to paint it, folks. And I'll probably go to Michael's, the place where you buy all the crafts and stuff, and get me some birds, little fake birds, and put them on there some way. And they just do it with wire, folks. It's like an interior decoration type thing. And folks, you'd be surprised, birdhouses make a pretty decoration too. You know, you could put them where you can fill them up with seeds and put them where you can see them of the morning or something while you're drinking your coffee. That's if you get into birds. I get into birds, folks. I think birds are awesome. I'm talking about wild birds now, folks. But I tell you, folks, the bird seeds went up so high now that what I'm going to do is, after I get this created, I'm just going to put sunflower seeds in mine. Because I buy the sunflower seeds for my chickens anyway, because it's got protein in it for them. One of these days, folks, I'll show you how I make them good old homemade biscuits. I know how to do that too. I probably have to pick me up a bag of flour for that though, because around here, if I get a big bag of flour, the boll weevils take it over, so I don't keep it around here too much because it just gets wasted. But I got this birdhouse for $6, folks. I don't know how much it would be at Michael's if you bought it there. There's a lot of things you can do with these glitter pens, folks. Creating different things. And see what I got here, folks, is a canvas That's what artists use to draw on and stuff. You can also take your paints and create your own thing on a canvas and do things like that. There's so many different things that you can do to be busy, folks. I mean, yeah, you know, housework keeps us busy, folks, but we don't want to do housework all the time, right? That housework will be there when you get there. That's the way I look at it. But it's just me and my husband, folks, so if I do a good cleaning job or something like that, it usually lasts us for a while. So I usually don't have a whole lot. Now, laundry and dishes is another thing, folks. Laundry and dishes keep me hopping. This was just a plain birdhouse. There wasn't nothing on it or anything when I bought it. But that's what the whole fun of it, folks. You want to decorate your own birdhouse, you know. Because if you go buy them all already decorated, it's probably going to cost you more money. And that's all they're doing is charging you for the work that they done on it, you know. But you can do that yourself, folks. Just go buy you a little plain wooden birdhouse and decorate it your way. That way you'll have something pretty that you can look at later on outside, right? Hi, folks. I'm not ignoring you or anything. But I hope you guys are keeping them smiles on your faces today. I know things can come up and cause us not to smile, but we have to keep striving to do so, folks. You know that saying, life is what you make it. If you want to make it unhappy and stressful and things like that, then you can. We can be our own worst enemy, folks. And I'm not saying that to be mean or anything, but when I say that we can be our own worst enemy, I mean, you know, we do that through the choices that we make as far as how we feel and stuff about things. Sometimes life can get kind of hard in a way, but we just have to roll along with the flow and do what we can. You'll have to get way up in there, folks, on painting these birdhouses because the roof is, you know, covering up some of the wood on it. But that's okay, folks. We got all day, don't we? We ain't gonna get in no hurry. We're gonna have some fun here. Just put everything out of your mind right now, folks, and focus on painting your birdhouse. I know we were painting rocks, folks, but, you know, I thought this would give us a good idea here, too. See up close how it looks. Just take your time. Relax. Don't let nothing bother you. And get busy with your hands and your mind, folks. We may have to break out the paint on some of this, folks, because, you know, it might use up all your glitter if you ain't careful. And I have red paint, folks. But what I'm going to do is, if I use my paintbrush on it, you know, even though that paint doesn't have a gloss to it or anything, I'm going to go get some of that real shiny paint, the clear, that makes the wood shine. Because it needs to have a little bit of wood protecting on it anyway, because this is going to be out in the elements and stuff. But I got the front part colored with the glitter pen, folks. I'll finish the rest of it up with the paint, because I'm probably going to wind up having to go get me another pack of those glitter pens. But that's okay, folks. We'll make it, won't we? But I just want to give you an idea, you know, of what I was doing with the birdhouse. See it up close, folks. It almost looks like it needs another coat, though, really, because the wood is kind of soaking up the paint off of the glitter pen. So, and you can paint it different colors, folks. You know, just kind of make like a decoration out of it. You can draw pictures on it. You can put decals on it. You can take a piece of wire and put you a fake bird on it with a flower. Just picture all this in your mind, folks, because that's what you can do. You can put the wire thing right here in the front and make like a decoration that goes around the front, as long as you don't cover up this hole, folks, because you're going to put your sunflowers down in there so the little birds can get down in there and eat. And there you have it, folks. We're going to paint a birdhouse. We're probably going to do the rest of the birdhouse, folks, on the next video, because I'm going to be coming in here soon. Well, thank you, folks, and you have a nice day and a blessed day, too. And you got this, folks. You're awesome. Bye-bye.